Let's get you bringing in $1,000 in the next 24 hours right now without running ads, launching a funnel, or even needing a big audience. In this video, I'm going to share how to do this, whether you're in the money niche or even if you don't teach business like I've helped my clients do. You might be a wellness coach, a leadership consultant, a relationship mentor. Maybe you're in the gardening niche. You've got powerful transformation to offer, but your offer is invisible or worse, confusing. That's why the money isn't coming in. Today, I'm handing you a plug and play way to change that with a simple offer that can bring in $1,000 or more within 24 hours. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen right now and dive right in so you can swipe these ideas and start making your $1,000 in the next 24 hours. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, this fancy drawing, 1K in 24 hours way, I've kind of sharing with you 3 pillars, okay? So first of all, let's talk about pillar 1. So if we come over here, pillar 1 is solve a problem, right? So what I mean by that is one urgent problem. So what is, if I were to underline this here, what is the most painful? That's way too thick. How do I make that? Let's make that way thinner. Hold on. It's going to delete everything. Control Z. You can tell I'm just starting to get used to this. One of the things that I want to share with you is that if you're not solving a problem for your audience, then it's going to be hard to sell something. It's going to be hard to grow your company. And I just want to backtrack for a minute in case you don't know who I am. My name is Marie Gudelis. Hello. I've been doing this online marketing thing well over 18 years, and I'm kind of been making money in both, not just digital offers and products, but also software, consulting, information products. You'll see here on the left-hand side, the Google logo. Eric Schmidt, the former chairman of Google, he invested in one of my software companies. And then in 2011, March, when we started that new software company, it went from 0 to $30 million valuation. And I exited and sold my shares in that company. And the company is still being used today, the technology core of it, as an emotional intelligence app for dementia patients in hospitals. And then on the consulting side, I've made over $1 million per year annually. Minimum package is $20,000 to work with me as me being your consultant, your coach. Branding package, the highest one I've ever sold is $500,000 to CEO of a software company. And then information products, I've made over $500,000 in 1 month selling digital information products and over $1 million per year. And I do all of the staff of 4, and I do that also for my clients. So before we begin and I show you this sexy slide and start detailing it, stick with me. I want to share with you because I believe when you see something in writing, you'll retain it in your memory more than me just talking to you. So you've got skills, you've got the passion, and my offer lab gives you the offer that sells. I'm going to share that with you in a second. So one, I'm going to show you in this video how to make $1,000 in 24 hours. 2, I'm going to help you go from, I don't know what to sell to, I just had my first 1K day with a few simple prompts. Stick with me. And then position it as a time collapsing outcome. All right. So that's super important. So now let's get back to this fancy drawing. So if we look at the main pillars in this drawing here, you'll see that what is the most painful stuff, like the 3 pillars is solve one urgent problem. Pillar 2, which is over here, right? Pillar 2, collapse time, right? People don't want more steps. They want less time to results. Pillar 3 is package like a pro, right? You got to sell the sizzle. Even if you have the steak, you got to sell the sizzle as well. Okay. And let's see if I can delete that little mark. Nope, doesn't do it. I'm just going to leave it. Bear with me. So pillar 1, solve one urgent problem. So what's the most painful problem or one problem, one solution that you could offer today, right? And can you help them overcome that or map a plan in one call or one VIP session? Maybe it's 1 hour, maybe it's 4 hours, right? And do you have one juicy bonus or tool that supports it, right? So in this case, you don't want to offer them the buffet. You want to offer them the espresso shot that gets them moving, because that's really important. People really want to collapse time and they'll hand money over to you if you give them a solution. Perfect example is one of my own offers was to build a low ticket funnel in a day, right? $2,000 one day, we'll map out and we'll actually get it live and running so you start making sales, right? And that was for $2,000 and I had 8 people buy it. So I made $16,000 in like a 7-day period. And then, so that's pillar one. And it solved the problem that people wanted to start getting momentum and making sales, and they were worried about technology and how to get things going. That's a simple example. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you, even if you're in the non-money making niche, some other options that you can have, like that's over here on this part of the slide. You can also, the reason why this works so well is to make 1K in 24 hours is you're going to charge $500 or $1,000 for this. Okay. That's really important kind of to indicate that. So let's just kind of go like this. So you're going to charge, maybe I should have made this in green so you're in the green, but you're going to charge $500 to $1,000 for the service. You can even charge more. Like some people charge like $10,000 for a VIP day, right? So you can charge $500 to $1,000, right? And you can call it an implementation day. You can call it a sprint. You can call it a breakthrough intention. You want to package it with something sexy here, a package like a pro for that. And you want to position it as time collapsing, right? Like, so mine was get your low ticket funnel done in a day, right? Some people have get your ebook done in a day, get your book published in a day or in 30 days or less. Like that's for another offer, 30 days or less, but it still collapses time, right? Rather than taking years or months, right? Because a lot of people, they don't pay for your time. They pay to go from stuck to solution. That's really important to remember. Does that make sense? Are you tracking with me? Comment below. Yes, that makes sense. If you want, comment below if you want me to detail any of these out any further, because this YouTube channel is to serve you. Okay. So here's some more examples I wanted to give to you, not just money-making niches. Like you could call, say if you're a wellness coach, you could call this like a breakthrough intensive as an example. And it could be like a 90-minute private session and to create a 7-day action plan, because everyone needs action, right? More action than just talk. That removes a block, jumpstarts a result, or creates emotional relief. So examples by niche, like say you're a wellness coach, and let's just make this into nice blue. Say you're a wellness coach. You could have like, we'll build your 7-day burnout recovery protocol you can implement immediately. Plus you'll get a done for you self-care planner and Voxer support, stay accountable. Voxer, if you don't know what that is like a free app, and it's like a walkie-talkie app. People can reach and talk to you. I think that's called asynchronous coaching. So someone can leave you a message and you can get back to them within like a day, as an example. Maybe you're a leadership coach. So you could say, hey, 90 minutes, we'll map out your 7-day executive communication reboot. What to say, how to say it, and how to lead your team under pressure. Walk away for clarity script, leadership leverage plan. And you could even add in, hey, and we'll add an emotional intelligence planner for you or map for you. So you can make it sexy. Say you're a parenting coach. Is this helpful to see these examples, by the way? We'll build your 7-day behavior reset for your strong-willed child. Walk away with a custom family script and calm down framework that works. You can make that sexy if you want, but I'm just giving you some examples to get your brain juices flowing, okay? Maybe your fitness nutrition pro. In 1 hour, we'll design your 7-day metabolism reset, personalized meal protocol, and get your fitness routine dialed with no guesswork. These are just examples that I hope truly help you. And now what we're going to do is turn to the conclusion of this video, where I just want to share a couple items that might be sexy for you. Like here, I want to give you an offer to join my school community. When you go there, you'll see, because I'm obviously logged in, you'll see a page that looks something like this. And I show proof here. Here's $1 million that I've made for my client. This is actual inside their ClickFunnels account, and lots of testimonials as well. You'll get access to the exact same program that they had called Micro Offer Magic, which helps you create your offer. But more importantly, you can only, it's less than a gourmet pizza. It's less than 2 Starbucks oat milk lattes, okay? Venti size. It's only $10 a month, all right? You can cancel anytime if my voice you don't like to hear when you join. But most importantly, when you do join, you'll also get access to, I just added this, my custom chat GPT in the classroom section called Maria's Offer Lab. And this is super sexy because this is coded with over 18 years of my digital marketing experience, making millions for myself and for others, and the frameworks of what makes an offer successful. So you can draft a workflow for your course launch strategy. You can give feedback using my webinar pitch. You can improve conversions for your ebook funnel, or you could ask it anything. Like say, for instance, it's like, I want to do a $1,000 VIP day for my wellness niche. Can you help me with that? I'm just giving you an example. This could be any niche that you're in, like whatever you're an expert in. And so it'll help you. Let's build a cash flowing $1,000 VIP day offer for your wellness niche using a lab verified protocol. Here's your custom analysis. So like you're in the lab, you're experimenting, you're having fun, you're playing with this. And so as I scroll down here, it uses my magic framework, which is it a magnetic offer? Do you have an audience for it? What audience should you have for, or where you should get your audience from? Facebook groups, YouTube. Go Deliver has this format been tested live. Even 2 to 5 beta clients at a discount, 500 to 750, will give you a golden insight and testimonials to sell it more. So that's a good idea. Sell it for 50% off. I've done that. Big ad agency that I work with, I instructed them to do a $2,000 VIP day, offer it for 50% off, and they sold like 18 of them in like 2 days. So they 18 times 1,000, 50% off. They sold $18,000. Plus, I got them high ticket clients because those people, a certain percentage of them, like 30%, converted to their $4,000 a month ads package. And then part of the magic framework interact, feedback loop needed, post-delivery, and then C, convert. Funnel must include a booking page, a nurturing email sequence, or consult script. So structural recommendations, it names the day, their hormone harmony, VIP intensive, burnout recovery. So I'm not going to continue on this video forever to tell you about this. If you want me to, comment below if you want me to show you from start to finish launching a digital offer using Maria's Offer Lab. All right. And again, you can access that custom GPT by simply joining my Make Money Online with Maria. The link will be below here in the description. So let's go back to the sexy Maria's Offer Lab. Tells me what to include even as bonuses, right? And then optimization protocol, conversion copy, use AIDA for landing page, attention, interest, desire, action, highlight transformation and time efficiency. What takes others 12 weeks, you'll get 1 day, like that, eh? Press justification, show the true value, normally part of my $3,000 package. Sales asset, you could use a YouTube video titled something like what I'd do if I had to fix my gut hormones energy in 24 hours, and then offer a VIP day at the end with urgency. Lead magnet tie-in, say you want a lead magnet or freebie offer, you could offer a quiz or a checklist, what's really causing your burnout as the funnel top. Implementation steps, it gives you the whole plan. Like this is seriously, I should sell this for like $1,000. This Maria's Offer Lab, it's so good. So draft the VIP day offer, then pre-sell 3 beta spots. It gives you the whole plan. Record everything, build a simple funnel. You could use System.io, Kajabi, you could even just use Stripe or Calendly. In my YouTube descriptions, I always link to my $500 hour cash injection consult call, and you can, and so I don't even have a funnel, it's just the Calendly. They pay the $500, and that's how I've made 1K days as well, when 2 people buy in 1 day the $500 offers. And then it'll ask me to create your VIP day outline, name options, or league magnet idea. So I'll say VIP day outline and emails and mini sales page, please. So you just converse with it as if you're talking to me and you're in the room with me and you paid to fly up here to Canada and spend time with me. It'll craft your whole entire offer. See how it'll start creating it. VIP day structure, client intake form, morning session, break, afternoon session, 2 hours, and it gives you the whole thing. I'm just like, stop talking, and here it goes. So speaking of stop talking, I just wanted to share this with you, how powerful it is. And the next important thing is when you have this tool in your arsenal, or even just what I taught you in this video today, I hope you're going to go out and take action with it. So I'm going to stop the screen share and come back to you live, eye to eye, looking at you as if you were in the same room as me. Cheers. Actually, before I do that, look at this. It gives you the whole sales page too. Reclaim your energy, focus, and flow in just 1 day. Who wouldn't want that? Get a personalized wellness protocol mapped live with you. You've tried supplements, read wellness blogs, done detoxes. Like, look how powerful this is. Intro to the solution. Imagine this. You could say, picture this. One powerful day where we go deep, connect the dots, and design your clear, custom path to feeling radiant, focused, and in flow again. And then, of course, if you have testimonials, you could have testimonials in there as well. But this is a pretty great start, don't you think? And then if you have a list, even a small teeny list, even 50 people on your list, it gives you all the emails here with the calls to action, right? So you have your business plan, your 1K in 24 hours business plan in a box right here for you. All right. Okay, make sure you hit subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on other simple ways for you to make money online. And don't forget to comment below your thoughts on this video, what you'd like me to cover next so that I can serve you best. And if you want to start getting access to Maria's Offer Lab so you can create your own magical offers that bring in cash flow for you right now, all you have to do is just click below on the link to join my school community, and I'd love to see you in there. And to finish this video strong, here's a few more examples of $1,000 offers you can make within 24 hours, and they're in the non-money making niche. So let's make it real. Maybe you're a wellness coach. Okay. Help them build out their 7-day burnout recovery protocol. Maybe you're a leadership mentor. Create a 7-day communication reboot for their team or emotional intelligence reboot. Maybe you're a fitness coach. Deliver a metabolism reset with meals and workouts that work. And maybe you include like 7 days of Voxer or text access to you. Parenting coach, give them a calm down plan, a behavior reset that they can start tonight. What they walk away with is more valuable than time. It's traction. Cool examples, right? So now if you want help architecting this offer, your pricing, your packaging, page, and post-launch plan, then you need to check out my school coaching program where you get Maria's Offer Lab inside. So it'll help you build the entire customer getting system, from magnetic messaging to a sales page that converts, from not knowing what to sell to landing it down with clarity. That also includes emails and a funnel that flows with ease that'll give you as a strategic plan. It's the same framework that's helped me and my clients generate 6- and 7-figure results without being pushy are burning out. So here's what I want you to do next. Just click the link below to check out my Make Money Online with Maria to get access to the Offer Lab. And you can also book a strategy call with me to get your eyes on your business. If you want to do like a kind of a VIP session with me, you'll see that link below as well. And the ridiculous offer for that is that if you don't make your investment back with that, I will give you your money back. So you get to have me plan out your entire business at no risk. All right. Cheers.